To handle the broadest range of expansions from 1 inch to 12 inches, Huth Ben Pearson has created our line of dual-headed expanders, the 1674 and the 1674V.
It's a dual-headed expander. It has two different size cylinders on it for different power levels and different tooling that can be used with each of the cylinders. It has quite a bit of versatility that we're going to show you, and it has a very small footprint. This machine is only 22 inches by 33 inches, and it's mobile. You can move it right to the job wherever you have that at. So we're going to start with the small cylinder here, and this cylinder is a 3.5 inch bore, which creates 28,000 pounds of force. And then the larger cylinder is a 5 inch bore cylinder, which will create 49,000 pounds of force. The versatility of the machine and range is from an inch up to 6 inches. And we're going to do some 3 inch and some 5 inch, some mild steel and some stainless steel for you here. So we're going to start with 3 inch, and I'm going to take a piece of 3 inch aluminized tubing, and we're going to expand it to make an ID slip fit. Now the machine comes with a chart, and if I want to make a 3 inch ID, I want to set it to number 13 and put the proper tooling on. Goes quite quickly. You just want to expand it and slightly give it a rotation to round your tube out, and you have a slip fit. That quick. Plenty of power to do that. Now we're going to move to a 5 inch stainless steel tube. We're going to make this 5.5 inch ID. I've already preset the calibration on the machine. So we slip it over, and this is expanding to a 3 inch depth. We rounded it out. That's how quick you can expand stainless steel. After working with a number of various fabricators, we realized that we need to offer the 1674 in a vertical setup. And there's two reasons for that. In both examples, gravity is going to work for you. So when you have it positioned vertically, you can take your material for straight slip fits, normal forms that you want to create with tooling, and just drop your material onto the tooling, and then gravity will hold it in place. You can let go of it, and as your tool does its work, it'll self-center the material to the tube and tool. The other one is if you want to do custom with large diameters, your tooling really becomes large and has a lot of weight to it. So putting it vertical does not allow the tools to side load the distribution of the force when you do your application. Gravity keeps them centered. So in both instances, it's a big advantage to certain situations that a fabricator may be using. The other thing when we did this was we increased the reservoir size so we have more oil in the machine to keep it a little cooler during operations. So we'll do two examples of what you just talked about.
There are 3 big advantages of the dual-headed expanders. 1, quicker and easier. 2, bigger oil tank to work harder. 3, bigger expansions, up to 12 inches. So expand your abilities with our 1674 and 1674V dual-headed expanders.